Today, we gather here to remember and reflect upon one of the darkest chapters in modern history, the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks, often referred to as 9/11. On that fateful day, our world was forever changed as the fabric of our society was torn apart by acts of unimaginable cruelty and hatred. We remember the shock and disbelief as we watched in horror as planes crashed into the iconic Twin Towers of the World Trade Center, the symbol of American prosperity and resilience. We remember the anguished cries of loved ones who were trapped within those buildings, and the heart-wrenching scenes of courageous individuals making the ultimate sacrifice to save others. The attacks did not end there. The Pentagon, a symbol of our nation's defense, was also targeted, and the lives of innocent people were cruelly taken. And let us not forget the bravery of the passengers on United Airlines Flight 93, who valiantly fought against the hijackers and prevented further devastation by sacrificing their own lives. In the face of this unspeakable tragedy, the world stood united. We witnessed acts of heroism from firefighters, police officers, and first responders who rushed into danger without hesitation, risking their own lives to save others. We saw communities come together, offering support, comfort, and solace to the grieving families. The spirit of resilience and unity shone through the darkest of times. The attacks of 9/11 were not just an assault on a nation, they were an assault on humanity itself. They reminded us of the capacity for evil that exists in the world, but they also revealed the indomitable spirit of the human race, the power of compassion, empathy, and unity. Since that tragic day, we have made significant progress in our efforts to prevent such atrocities from occurring again. We have strengthened our security measures, enhanced intelligence sharing, and worked tirelessly to dismantle terrorist networks. Yet, we must remain ever vigilant, for the threat of terrorism still looms, and we must never let our guard down. But as we remember the lives lost on September 11th, let us also remember the resilience and strength that emerged from the ashes. Let us honor the memory of those who perished by upholding the values of freedom, justice, and tolerance. Let us reject the ideologies of hatred and division that fuel such acts of terror, and instead, embrace the principles of compassion, understanding, and unity. We must strive to build a world where diversity is celebrated, where bridges are built instead of walls, and where love triumphs over hate. We owe it to the victims of 9/11 and to future generations to ensure that their sacrifice was not in vain. On this day, as we reflect upon the 9/11 attacks, let us remember the lives that were lost, the heroes who emerged, and the resilience that defines us. Let us stand together as one, united in our commitment to a better future, a future that honors the memory of those we lost and upholds the values that define us as a nation. May we find strength in our collective humanity, and may we never forget the lessons of 9/11. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.